Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to send a voice message on Instagram using your PC, thanks to a recent update that has made this feature more accessible. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open Instagram on your desktop. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging in with your credentials. If you haven't used Instagram on your computer before, there's no need to download any additional software. Everything you need is right there in your web browser. Next, look for the Messages icon located in the left menu. This icon resembles an envelope or speech bubble. Click on it to access your direct messages. Here, you'll find all your conversations neatly organized. Now choose the chat you want to send a voice message to. Simply click on the conversation where you want to share your voice note. This will open up the chat window, displaying the message history with that user. Once you're in the chat, locate the voice recorder icon. This icon usually looks like a microphone and is positioned near the text input area. Click on this icon to begin recording your voice message. As you record, make sure to speak clearly and at a comfortable volume. After you finish recording your message, you'll see options to either send it or discard it if you're not satisfied with what you've recorded. If everything sounds good, go ahead and click send. And that's it! You've successfully sent a voice message on Instagram from your PC. Remember, this feature allows for more personal communication without the hassle of typing out long messages. Feel free to explore this new way of connecting with friends and family through voice messages. It's quick, easy, and adds a personal touch to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging on Instagram.